Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile T-Life app not working, update, clear cache and login fix. To fix the T-Mobile T-Life app when it's crashing, freezing or stuck on authentication, first update the app via the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then clear the app cache in your device settings and re-login or reinstall the app completely to resolve corrupted data or expired login sessions. First, clear cache and clear data. In Android, navigate to Settings, then go to Apps or Apps and Notification. Find T-Live, then click on Storage. In it, tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data or Clear Storage. After that, reopen the app and log back in. For iPhone/iOS devices, go to Settings, in it go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage, then click on T-Live and select Offload App. This clears cache without deleting your documents/data and then tap Reinstall App. Second, update the app in OS. Open your respective app store, search for T-Life and click Update if a newer version is available. And ensure your smartphone's operating system, iOS or Android, is fully updated to maintain app compatibility. Make sure you have at least 15 to 20% free on-device storage space so the app can create temporary files smoothly. Third, fix login and authentication issues. Turn off Wi-Fi and try loading the app using mobile cellular data or vice versa. Then turn off any active VPNs or content blocking software as they frequently interfere with T-Mobile server verification. Now test your T-Mobile ID login directly via the T-Mobile account login website to confirm your username and password are valid. Use the T-Mobile ID setup guide to reset your password if needed. Fourth, reinstall the application. Uninstall or delete the T-Life app from your device completely by long pressing the app and tapping uninstall it. Then restart your phone to clear system memory and terminate any stuck background processes. After that, re-download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.